my beautiful YouTube team. Today I tell you how install beauty cam, and let's go starting now. I tell you. Okay, first going Play Store, then here push, then also here have beauty camera.
What's writing some little friend here? Beauty camera. BEAUTY camera. Then search.
Then beauty. Also this coming first one up, pink color one, this one I this push, and then I install push. See error. Then download start. Wait only little bit, 10 20 50 to 10 20 30 minutes. Then download start. Okay, wait, my beautiful YouTube team, just start. Then download. Wait, okay.
And then little friend, how are you everybody? Little bit wait and then install the beauty plus cam. Can you click a beautiful selfie?
Then this beautiful filter camera do means same filters and rabbit art filters, beautiful one lipstick. This one filters have another one brightness blue filter. This okay, wait little bit friends, just wait, just download start. 27 28 29 wait, when 99 100 then done download. Okay, wait only little bit. Okay friends, see 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100. Then after wait little bit, then 100. Okay, installing. Wait only little bit, you wait. Then open here, COPEN open. Then here push open. Then coming beautiful filters, retouch camera.
And I click this.
Wow, coming, I click my beautiful selfie. Okay, open push. Okay, beautiful camera on. Next. Okay, then cross.
Agree and continue. Beauty.
Right, and this, if you here push this one plus, then here coming. This is camera. This is edit. Okay, edit this camera. Okay, then this camera push. Allow. Okay, allow. Okay. Okay friends, see this also. My friend side coming. You see darkness than no in my face. Okay. See friends. Nice. See this filter. Okay. This time you understand how install beauty pulse camera. Okay. Like video, push the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Give me a million views. Bye bye my beautiful YouTube team. Mwah!